SpaceX is about to take its Starlink network to the next level, and it's gonna be huge. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. The FCC has officially approved Elon Musk's company to launch 7,500 more Starlink Gen2 satellites, taking its total number to 15,000. FCC Chairman Brandon Carr revealed this on social media, saying it will enable even better, faster, and more advanced internet services in the country. The upgraded Gen2 satellites is coming with massive improvements, with 20 times more throughput than the first generation, lower latency, and easier connection. Starlink users can expect faster, more reliable service. SpaceX will also operate the satellites across a wider range of frequencies and orbital configurations for smoother coverage and speedier internet even in remote areas. Safety concerns have long surrounded the increasingly crowded edges of Earth's orbit. SpaceX originally proposed nearly 30,000 Gen2 satellites back in 2020, but the FCC suggested 7,500 to 15,000 are safe, particularly after SpaceX lowered 4,400 satellites to reduce collision risks with the International Space Station. The Starlink network will support direct-to-cell connectivity outside the US thanks to a partnership with T-Mobile. It will open doors to a future where satellite internet reaches almost anywhere on Earth. Half of the new satellites must be in orbit by December 1st, 2028, with the remainder operational by December 2031. So while customers may not feel the impact immediately, the groundwork is being laid for one of the fastest, most advanced satellite internet networks the world has ever seen. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. SIM cards are now available of Starlink's chip, which will give unlimited supply of lifetime internet and phone connections at very low prices. But wait, here's the lie. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The residents of America and Latin America are seeing ads on their Facebook where the SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is standing holding a SIM card of Starlink chip offering low prices. The image is AI generated and is being used to scam people nationwide. The fraudsters are using this image to gain popularity, which they're already getting. They're claiming to give their customers excellent satellite connectivity in just $14.99 per month, and it'll help the customers stay connected anywhere in the world with total freedom. Although it is true that Starlink can power SMS-based text in cellular dead zones, but SpaceX has not made it available for global audiences. SpaceX partners only select wireless carriers such as T-Mobile to deliver this technology to specific markets. However, some Latin American users have said this fake offer is beautiful and incredible. How does this scam work? Well, if you click on the link, it'll direct you to a page with a questionnaire. It'll have questions regarding your current connection, and then the next page will tell you how getting this chip is a better idea. Later, it'll show you 3 offers of different varieties, naming them lunar, future, and space plans. The scammers really put his thoughts in it. Once you select a plan, it'll trick you to make the payment on the scammer's Shopify checkout page. Meta hasn't perceived it as a scam yet because Starlink chip scammers have fooled Facebook's fraud systems by not mentioning SpaceX or Starlink in the ads tags. Instead, the Starlink brand appears on the ads image. That's very clever. So this is how people are being happily scammed, thinking they've taken a great deal only to lose their money in the end. Imagine being 35,000 feet above the clouds, streaming your favorite YouTube videos, jumping into Fortnite matches, and knocking out work all without a single Wi-Fi lag. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, United Airlines is making this a reality thanks to its game-changing partnership with Starlink. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Starting with regional jets, and now on a Boeing 737-800, United is rolling out ultra-fast, reliable Wi-Fi across its fleet, completely free from Mileage Plus members. On a recent test flight, travelers experienced internet speeds that rival home connection, with downloads hitting at 460 Mbps. No more buffering, dead zones, or torturing slowdowns mid-flight. The secret to this speed is Starlink's low Earth orbit satellites, orbiting just 350 miles above us, compared to traditional satellites usually 22,000 miles. It delivers lightning-fast connectivity even during takeoff and landing. The new system uses dual dual antennas, and multiple Wi-Fi access points inside the cabin, ensuring every device stays connected, even if you bring 5 gadgets with you. You can even connect before the plane doors close and enjoy streaming Disney+, gaming, or FaceTiming friends. Yes, video calls actually worked. Just remember to turn off iCloud Private Relay for best performance. United plans to equip 300 regional jets by the end of 2025 and expand to more mainline aircraft in 2026. This isn't just a Wi-Fi upgrade. It's a plan to make long flights way more enjoyable and your wallet happier since it's free. What do you think about this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. In a rare stumble for Elon Musk's ambitious satellite internet venture, Starlink briefly went offline early Monday, leaving tens of thousands without service, including critical military operations in Ukraine. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. According to outage tracker downdetector.com, the blackout peaked with over 43,000 users in the US reporting issues. But the impact wasn't just domestic. In Ukraine, the entire frontline reportedly lost Starlink access around 7 a.m., a potentially dangerous disruption, giving the system's key role in drone operations and battlefield communications. Ukrainian drone commander Robert Brovdy took to Telegram to confirm the outage, noting that connectivity began to return within half an hour. The brief blackout, though, served as a stark reminder of how dependent critical systems have become on private tech systems like Starlink. Operated by Musk's SpaceX, Starlink functions by a network of low Earth orbit satellites, providing high-speed internet even in the world's most remote or war-torn areas. It's just been hailed as a game-changer, not just for rural connectivity, but for real-time communication in global conflict zones. Shortly after the outage began, Starlink acknowledged the issue publicly, stating, "Starlink is currently experiencing a service outage. Our team is investigating." Although the number of complaints had fallen below 1,000, suggesting the issue had been largely resolved, while Starlink is back online, the incident raises pressing questions. What happens when one private network becomes this important and this vulnerable on a global scale? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your next flight could be powered by space, and the tech battle is heating up fast. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. American Airlines is in talks with Amazon's satellite internet project, Amazon Leo. This could mean a showdown with Elon Musk's Starlink for control of in-flight Wi-Fi. CEO Robert Isom revealed the carrier is exploring Amazon Leo as part of a major upgrade to its onboard internet across a fleet of more than 1,000 aircraft. If Amazon lands the deal, it would be a huge boost for Jeff Bezos' space plans and a serious challenge to Starlink's grip on the skies. Both Amazon Leo and Starlink use low Earth orbit satellites, giving faster speeds and lower lag than traditional systems. But Starlink already has thousands of satellites in orbit and is fully operational with airline deals locked in around the world. Amazon Leo has to catch up, but only around 150 satellites are launched so far, and full service is not expected until 2027. American is rolling out free Wi-Fi but doubts whether its current provider, Viasat, can handle a cabin full of passengers streaming shows, scrolling social feeds, and jumping on video calls at the same time. The choice is risky. Starlink offers proven performance right now. Amazon Leo could deliver cheaper, long-term deals and deep tech backing, but only if it delivers on its promises. For passengers, it's all good news. The competition will kill off slow, overpriced, barely used Wi-Fi once and for all. American Airlines is still trying Amazon, Starlink, and Viasat, but could soon decide who rules the internet in the sky for years to come. Which Wi-Fi can win this race? Tell us in the comments.